Okay, y'all, so before we get into this video, I want to do a really quick unboxing for you all. So I know you've seen this in my last vlog. This is the lamination kit, and I want to show you what was on the inside. So here we go. So we have these. These are for the lashes. We also have these tools as well to help aiding in the process when doing the tinting on the brows and the lashes. And then we have the directions, the instructions on how and what we need to do when doing the brows. And then we have this. So this is what it looks like. We have the lamination glue, the fixation, the nutrition, the cleanser, the perm, and then we also have like lift pads and a cleaning tool. And these two are for the lashes. So this is what's inside of the lamination eyebrow and eyelash kit. And I will be sure to leave this in the description box. So let's go ahead and get into the video. And welcome back to my channel. I am Mitchellette. This is Immaculate Life. I hope you all are doing well and of course staying safe. On this channel I do hauls, I do hair, I do vlogs, I do whatever I want to do. But in this video I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I'm going to be laminating my eyebrows. I want to see how this works. I'm going to be trying this out. This is the kit that I purchased. I got it from Amazon. I'll be sure to leave a link. And I'm going to go ahead and get started. Of course you want to make sure that you read the instructions. It says that you are not to wash your lashes. I'm not doing my lashes, but it says do not wash your lashes or brows in the first 24 hours. So I went ahead and cleansed my face just to make sure I got any residue or any makeup off and all that good stuff. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some Vaseline around my eyebrows. And then I'm going to cleanse them. So let's go ahead and do that first. The Vaseline is to protect your skin. So that's what I did. I put a little Vaseline around the area. And then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cleanse my brows because you want to make sure there's no makeup, none of that good stuff around the brow. So I'm going to be doing that next. And I am using this cleanser. Let me show you what I'm using. I'm using this cleanser. It's kind of small. Hopefully it'll focus. And I'm using this tip. So let me go ahead and do that right now. That is done. I cleansed my brows. And so the next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying the glue on my eyebrows. And this is what the glue looks like. This is the lamination glue. I'm going to apply this and then I'm to comb the brow into the desired shape and position. So this to me is really important. And then I'm going to cover it with plastic wrap for 10 minutes. So let me go ahead and do that. And this is what it looks like. Whoops. So I'm going to apply that in the mirror so that way I can actually see what's going on. but you do want to make sure that you put enough. So that's what I'm doing right now, making sure that I have enough on my brow. Okay, so that's done. See, I applied the glue. So now I'm going to take this comb and shape it how I want it. Good. And so now I'm going to take plastic wrap and put it on my eyebrows. For 10 minutes. So I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, y'all, it has been 10 minutes and I'm going to remove this. And now I'm going to apply the permanent solution. Y'all, this is the permanent solution. And when I tell y'all, it smells like Perm. Woo, Lord, it smells like Perm. So I'm going to apply the permanent solution and then I'm going to put the plastic wrap on top of my eyes one more time. Okay. So now, going in. I have applied the permanent solution and I'm going to cover up. Again. Be back, y'all. Okay, it has been 10 minutes, so now I'm going to be removing this plastic. And it says to remove the perm solution with a cotton pad, so I'm going to be removing. So I have removed that, and now it says to apply fixation number 2. So this is fixation number 2. What it looks like, y'all. So now I'm about to put the plastic on it again. 10 more minutes, y'all, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to remove this plastic. And I'm going to be removing the lotion. I removed the lotion. So this is the cleanser, if y'all remember. So I'm going to be using that. Okay, so I removed that, and so now I am going to apply the nutrition part. So this is the nutrition. I'm supposed to put that on my eyebrows, and I'm also going to cover this for 10 minutes with the plastic wrap. That was the last step. Let's check it out. Came out so nice. So now what I'm about to do is I am about to clean up and get any unwanted hairs from around the edge. Y'all, it came out so nice. I really like it. So I'm excited. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these small shears and I'm gonna clean up around the edges of my brows. So brows are done. They look pretty good. So here's the thing. So this is what I wanted to talk about. So basically when you're doing your eyebrows, you want to make sure that first I recommend that you clean your face before you do this. So I cleansed my face and all that good stuff. So that's one thing I did. The other thing is I shaped my eyebrows yesterday. So I kind of cleaned up around the area a little bit yesterday. And the next thing I want to tell you is it says you cannot wet the eyebrows for 24 hours. So, which is good that I cleansed my skin. The only thing is I'm about to get in the shower and I'm getting ready to see how this is going to do. So I was gonna put a little, I'm just gonna put a little concealer around them. I'm not gonna put any makeup or anything on them because I want them to, I'm not gonna mess with them at all for 24 hours. So I wanted you all to see them close up and they actually came out pretty good. I like it. It gives it a little but yeah, I like it. So I'm going to put my makeup on. I'm gonna let you see it with my makeup and all that good stuff. And yeah,